Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall. Today we have this beautiful rolling homes converted VW T6. It's in champagne with alloy wheels, done less than 50,000 miles and it is under £40,000. As you can see, immaculate pop top, awning rail, inside is very, very well appointed. Real classic design, absolutely beautiful. So if you'd like any more information on this beautiful rolling homes conversion, please contact the team here at TMD Motorhomes or leave us a comment.